It is time to reveal the M40 now, it's just there. Hi guys, and welcome back to Archie Hamilton Racing and to another video where first things first, I've had a haircut and this is a big old haircut. I'm pleased with this one. But anyway, let's get cracking with the video. You join me in my Golf R, but this isn't the subject of today's one. We are going to go and pick up my BMW M4 competition, which I got last week because it has had stuff done to it. And in that video when I revealed it, I did say I'm not going to change much, but anyway, it hasn't taken very long. And I do like to make cars my own. As you are aware on my channel, when I get a car, I like to sort of change things up and make it my own to what I really do like, get you guys involved, what you guys like. And yeah, today we're going to head to Prestige Tint, the guys who have already done subtle things to it that make a huge difference. This car looks completely different. I've kind of left a lot of the work down to them in terms of what needs doing, but they said, you know what, Archie, leave it to us. We've got this completely under control. And when you pick it up, it's gonna look very different. A lot of you guys like it, a lot of you guys don't like it, but I think when you see the car today, you're gonna like it. So let's get cracking. That is a serious bit of kit. Look at this interior, it's orange interior. But this, I believe, is a Liberty Walk kit you're going to get, which has got more presence on the road than that. Have a little walk around it one more time. It's some more than noise on idle. It's a flipping joke. This video has kindly been sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. You can click the link in my description or also in the pinned comment to get downloading for your mobile or PC. Shadowkin are shrouded in mystery, hailing from the furthest reaches of the eastern continent beyond the Brimstone Path. It's believed that they have been under the brutal heel of the demon spawn for the last several hundred years. Only in the past few months have they overthrown the Siroph's yoke and revealed themselves to the other factions. Are they honourable? Yes. Evil? Not anymore. Are they good? Only time will tell. This faction is just getting started. Come meet the new arrivals in the game. I have a few favourites, but this is definitely the one that wins. He just looks crazy, this guy. Raid's just passed their 2-year anniversary and the game is bigger and better than ever before. They've just a month and a half of awesome events and tournaments, and there's no sign of slowing down yet. This month they're releasing a new batch of epic legendary champions, and they're also releasing their second version of the Doom Tower. Each head start and Raid, all you have to do is hit the link in the description or scan my QR code and you'll get your epic free champion Jotun, who's amazing for the Doom Tower, 100k silver, 50 gems and 3 ancient shards, so you can summon your awesome champions as soon as you get into the game. All this treasure will be waiting for you here. Once you're in, you can find me in the game, and if you're fast, you can join my clan. And it's that easy. Just click the link in the description and I'll see you in the game. These guys, they've done quite a lot on social media. I got in touch with them and I said I want Tint's doing subtle stuff and my wheels and things like that. The wheels didn't last very long, but I also want it to be reversible. So I said, look, I don't want anything for free. I want to pay for it, obviously. And yeah, I got the car down here a couple of days later and they've done an amazing job. And I cannot wait for you to see it because it is a game changer. While this flipping Liberty Walked Lamborghini is on idle. Very nice A35, which they have here, but very nice studio. And what we're going to do is we're going to get this, you can see some of the change already, my M4, get it inside, and then we can talk about everything that we've done and get it inside and we can talk more. We're going to try and get the front to go low. Here we go. There we go. Can it go lower? It's on the floor. It's literally on the floor now. That's insane. That's so cool. It's literally on the floor now. Oh, up she goes. Down she goes. Unbelievable. Unflipping believable. Oh, bit of lock. Oh, she's in. Phew. Madness. This is inside, ladies and gentlemen. It is time to reveal the M4 to you now, it's just there. So let's do this to music, shall we? We're inside here, but let's do it to music. 3, 2, 1, go. Subtle things have made all the difference, and I really like the fact that, you know, if I was to sell that in the future, which I'm not, but if you were, everything can go back to kind of how it was. Don't do things that can't be reversed, kind of thing. So let's walk around it and then you can see all of it, what has been done. But this setting is just very, very cool. I love all the strobe lightings on the ceiling and on the back and everything like that. So that's cool. So cool to have them side by side. That would be your dream supercar, wouldn't it? And then this would be, in my eyes, I think it's, you know, one of your dream kind of dailies. But yeah, let's walk around it because we've seen so much of this Lambo and it is complete chaos. But this now just looks completely different to when I picked it up. So obviously we had the front number plate bracket, which obviously I still have, but it seems to have fallen off. So for now, this will be like this. But there will be a complete fix to this, probably like a sticker or something like that. Then they do this really cool sort of PPF, which has a slight tint on it, and they've done that on the front lights, which I really like, and that was their idea to do that. So the guys here gave me inspiration. They're like, we'll do that, so that will be really cool, and that's how that's now given it so a much more stealth effect at the front. So really, really like that. And then obviously the biggest thing you can probably see from when I picked it up, and that really is the wheels, because these were diamond cut. We worked out they weren't actually diamond cut, they were polished, but they are now satin black. I might go back to the polished diamond look in the future if we want to reverse it, but at the moment I'm very much a stealth kind of guy, and yeah, that's amazing how it looks now, isn't it? Let's be honest. And I think now it just has so much presence and it's completely different. It's amazing. Love these cameras. And then obviously the front windscreen, you're probably thinking, what the hell's happened there? It's got a very light kind of chameleon tint to it. It's really, really cool, and it gives it a kind of slight kind of glow. So that's cool. I really like that. And those guys are the guys, I spotted that on Instagram. I was like, where did you do that? And they're like, that's our sort of signature thing. So very nice. So then what we also did is we've added sort of slight kind of tints to it as well, which is cool. I said that would happen. This rear window, I'll say it's a rear window because it is, that's kind of been limoed out because legal limits on that. You can just go to town on that. I believe. I might be completely wrong, but that's what I believe. So that's been limoed out, so that looks really, really nice. And then what we've also done is limoed out the rear window as well. And then that's now given it lots of presence there, which is brilliant. And yeah, just looks really, really good, doesn't it? Obviously this number plate, I'm going to change it over. I've got a much smaller plate going on it. I've left it somewhere and I need to find it, basically. So I will change it over the next couple of days. But I love the presence of these now. That just looks so good. Insane. What else has happened? You're probably wondering. Well, we've also done, or the Prestige Tint guys have done a subtle PPF tint on the back as well. And then that has now given it a really nice look on the back, also on the lights. We did PPF tints on the M8, if you remember. We did the tints on the M8, and it did look really, really cool. So everything which they've done is really tasteful. And you know what? I got in touch with them on Instagram, and they're just such lovely guys. I tell you what, whenever I go somewhere, I just, you know, like I said, I don't want it for free. Please, don't think I'm going to, I just really want a really good, amazing job done on it. And they've really done it. And what I also loved as well, by the way, I'm not being paid to say this, I'm paying for my service, but it wasn't that, it was more the fact that they kept me updated the whole way. They kept sending me videos, they kept sending me everything, and they were so professional. This car has been in and out in a day, and they're just such lovely, welcoming people. And I think that just you know, that is such an amazing thing, and it made the whole experience brilliant. Wheels as well, by the way. These satin finished wheels now, they're very nicely done and very nice satin finish, and they just look very cool. They might be a little bit harder to maintain, of course, but yeah, that just looks good, doesn't it? And I'm sure a lot of you have seen the interior of this car, but if you haven't, it is super cool, super slick, with the carbon on the seats as well. But it's just epic. It really is just an epic bit of kit, and I love it. And it's been a whirlwind couple of weeks, and then now an M4 competition. It's just it's perfect. We might satin PPF it. We've spoken about it, me and the guys here, and that is a plan that we might do that in the next couple of weeks. What do you think to that? I just like stealth, and I think satin PPF could look really, really good. So let me know in the comments if you like that. But let's have one little walk around it before we go. Oh, carbon fibre mirrors. We like carbon fibre mirrors. Carbon fibre mirrors. One little last walk around it before we get it outside, so you guys can see it outside as well. But I'm sorry, but that is chaos. Right, check this out. We just got the car outside, and I'm just going to give you a little walk around it outside. How good does the windscreen look? The wheels now just have so much more look to them. But it's not only that, it's just the way now. Look at this, is the angle we've just been looking the car at, and I think that the subtle changes which we've done have completely transformed it, especially when you see it in the light. I like looking at a car when you do it and then you take it out in the light, and then at that point you can really see. But it's now the front. Okay, yeah, the number plate is fallen off. I know sometimes it can happen, and you know, sometimes it can fall off, but yeah, now the front grille, when it is stealthed out, obviously this front grille is so controversial, but now it just looks way better. And then if we have a little walk around to the back, when we're just a little bit further outside, this plate is going to change, by the way. So the plate is going to be a lot shorter. I've got that plate at home, just haven't managed to do that, so I'll change that over tomorrow, but just for now that's fine. But now we've limoed the back, that just looks better, obviously, as I've spoken about. But I think it's just when you see it in the light, and for me it's completely changed. In that car, I'll overlay pictures from how it came to now, it's just completely different. And then this windscreen, it's just so cool. So there we go, that is it, and it's time for me to head on my way. And it's been epic. I'm super happy with this, and yeah, they've been such lovely guys, so welcoming, and it just looks completely different. I know the grille is controversial, I know it's, you know, it's not everyone's cup of tea, but subtle little things make all the difference. I think in a dark colour it just looks insane, and this car has really transformed, looks amazing, and I feel very lucky to have the chance to share this content with you and bring it. I know there's probably been a little bit too much M3, M4, M4 stuff, but it's a brilliant car, and I'm looking forward to sharing a lot more content with it. I will leave the guys' details to Prestige Tint. Get in touch with them. They will look after you. They're really nice guys. It's been so good. And yeah, if there's anything you like the look of, get your car booked in, and near London Way, and I'll look after you. So a massive thank you to them as well, because this looks so good. I hope you've enjoyed it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you soon.